In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit status in ClickUp so you can keep your tasks updated and your workflow clear. Start by opening your ClickUp workspace. This is your main dashboard where all your tasks and projects are stored, so make sure you're in the right workspace. Next, find and open the task you want to update. You can locate it in a list, board, or by using the search bar if you have many tasks. Once the task is open, look for the current status section. This is usually displayed near the top of the task with a label like To Do, In Progress, or Complete. Click on the status label and a drop-down menu will appear showing all available status options. Now, simply select the new status based on your progress. For example, choose In Progress if you've started working on it or Complete if the task is finished. As soon as you click the new status, ClickUp updates it automatically, so there's no need to save anything. You can always change the status again if your progress changes or if you selected the wrong option. And that's it. You've edited a task status in ClickUp, making it easier to track progress and keep your workflow organized.